Hello and welcome to Computer Store BD. I am Rubel with another exciting video tutorial on how to install CCTV camera step-by-step process. So keep watching. Okay, so here we have our Hikvision DVR and Hikvision camera and one piece adapter. This is the hard disk. And this is a short piece of cable and the tools and the BNC and the connector. So we'll first go with the DVR first. We'll open the DVR first. This is the DVR you get when you buy it from the market or from the online. So this is the mouse, this is the adapter, and these are the hard disk cable and the screws. Okay, let's now open the DVR. Okay, this is the Hikvision DVR for 8-channel DVR with a BGA port and audio in, audio out, the LAN port and 2 USB cables and a DC port and a HDMI cable. You have to open the 4 screws here to install the hard disk. So this is the circuit and this is the part where the hard disk should be installed, and we have the 4 screws which will hold the hard disk to the DVR. This is the 4 screws provided to the DVR, and we'll have our hard disk. This is a 1 terabyte hard disk Seagate, and if you want you can install from 250 GB to 6 terabyte. That depends on how much days you want to give the backup for. Okay, so let us install that hard disk to the DVR. Okay, this is the hard disk cable, data cable and the power cable, and these are the ports. These are the DC port and the data process port for the hard disk. So let me connect them first. Make sure that the pin here is correct when you're installing the cables. Okay, after the installation, let's install it on the DVR. Okay, so the hard disk is installed and we will install the data cables for the hard disk. This is the DC part and this is the data part. The installation is finished and we will zip it up. to tighten the screw for the DVR. Okay, so it's done. This is the adapter which comes with the DVR. And here we have a power. I'll connect it to the DVR DC port. Okay, so DC port is done, and here we have the mouse, the LAN USB mouse. It should be inserted here. And this one is for HDMI, this is for VGA. So if you have a smart TV at home, you can install the HDMI, which is pretty good. And we have here the 4 BNC connector, the video in. The channels are marked as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will make the cable. Okay, now we will make the BNC with the cable installed. So this is the cable, this is the RJ6 cable. You can get it in the market. So let me cut the edge to install the connector. Same for the opposite part. Make sure one thing is that when you buy the cables from the market, make sure the insulated cable is copper, so it's bit good for video data processing. Okay, so here we have a connector. We will insert it and twist it. Okay, so here is the white portion comes up enough. This is the same with the another part. White portion will twist it till the white portion comes in. See? Okay. So once done, we will cut the extra layer off, just keep for the BNC, because it will not take too much of this cable. Same with the other part. This is a MX BNC. You can get it in the market. There is a spring here, the DVR connector to hold on. This is a demonstration for one camera, but following this process you can install as much camera as you want. Okay, so it's done. We will see the port 1. Install it in this way and twist it. So it's done. This portion is done. Now we will install the cameras. This is the Hikvision camera, 720 pixel, model DS2CE16C0T IRPF. Lens is 3.6 mm. You can get it in the market, or you can get it below. The link is given below the video. Okay, this is the camera. Okay, screw and roller and the user manual and a drill bit. Thin template to install it on the wall. Like this, you can peel up the stickers. You can peel the stickers off and put it on the wall. Okay. Okay. This is the camera, and with this, the LEDs are the night visions, and this is the lens. Here is the lens, and this all behind it is the night vision lens or the IR lens, and it has 3 cables. One is for DC cord, one is for BNC, another is for switch. Okay, let me tell you more about the switch. This switch is for supporting all the version of the video like TVI, ASD, CBI, CBBS. Press for 5 seconds to change the video output. For example, if you have an old DVR, these cameras are HD, so this will be not supported instantly. To click on the process of just hold it for 5 seconds, and it will change the video setup and may come to TBI or HD, which is supported. Okay. Okay, so there are 2 screws here. If I lose the screw, see, to move up and down, and this is the for rotating the camera left and right wise. So right now we don't need it. Okay, and there is also a tighten screw which can tighten the camera like this. I'll tell you, like this, and if you tight it, and it will not go left or right. Okay, okay then. Now this is the CCTV adapter, 12 volt. This is the 12 volt adapter, AC/DC adapter. Input 100 and 240, output DC 12 volt is 2 ampere. Okay. Okay, so let's connect it to the power. the DC pipe which will be connected to the camera, and the BNC will be connected to the DVR's BNC. So everything is ready. So we will now check the night vision of the camera. So hold it for 5 to 10 seconds and you can see the red lights. Oh sorry, I didn't power the switch on the power. Okay, the power is switched on. Let us see. Yes, it will give a beep, a red beep, and it will beep again and again till the hard disk is installed. You have to initialize the hard disk at first. Okay, see the I'll show you again. See the IR lights, red lights coming out. That is the night vision. So everything is done. Now we need to connect our DVR to the monitor to make the next configuration.
이 러브 빙수, 한?